1. Tired of your phone dying midday? The Anker PowerCore 20,000 portable charger is your ultimate solution for staying powered up no matter where life takes you. 2. This beast packs an incredible 20,000 mAh capacity, which means you can fully charge your iPhone over 6 times, pure peace of mind for travel or busy schedules. 3. But it's not just about capacity. Anker's exclusive PowerIQ technology intelligently identifies your device to deliver the fastest, safest charge possible every single time. 4. No more slow charging for your tablet or specific phone. PowerIQ optimizes the current for anything you plug in. 5. And for true convenience, it features dual USB ports, letting you power up 2 devices simultaneously. Perfect for sharing power with a friend or charging your phone and earbuds at once. 6. This high-capacity power bank truly eliminates battery anxiety, making it an essential gadget for students, travelers, and commuters alike. 7. Searching for the best electronics of 2025? This Anker PowerCore 20,000 stands out as a reliable and powerful choice for all your charging needs. 8. It's built with Anker's renowned durability, offering premium quality that you can trust will last through countless recharges. 9. Stop compromising on power and experience the freedom of endless charge with this top-tier portable charger. 10. Ready to upgrade? Find the link to purchase your Anker PowerCore 20,000 on Amazon in the description below. You won't regret it.